Hey, bye. Today we actually go to what do you call the name?
We go Fit 21, sir.
We're going to Fit 21. To be quite honest, I'm not really a big carnival fan, but I go pretend tonight that I love carnival. The more thing I like about carnival is definitely girls them. The girls them wind up and everything just nice. I tell you, man, one thing I can almost guarantee: at the end of this party tonight, somebody's gonna go home pregnant. I am almost certain by. But anyway, remember, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you and we are always smiling.
And we always using a condom.
All the time, bye.
When you're on a holiday, you can't find the words to say all the things that come to you, and I wanna feel it too. On an island in the sun.
Alright guys, so we're finally reaching at the party. It just starts, so what time is it now? It's like
9:35 now.
9:35, so the venue pretty much empty right now. But eventually it's supposed to get lit. But this rum punch.
Just say.
Try this, dog. What is this? It's lit. This shit is gonna creep up, I swear. I know them my work.
So nice.
There's at the front, I get nice already, sir.
It's the music, come to back your mic. Oh, hey, Patrick. Pull up, Richard. All that I hate you. We just want to love you. Today, on the shot. Richie, no. Hell going on. You know the drink, huh? Today, we ladies and gentlemen, I'm with Patrick Anderson. Anthony, there's Anderson. Don't forget PM Fits, April 7th. Everybody who said it party with your best friend right now. Let me see. We're gonna get there. Listen, you gotta show everybody how to do this dance right now. Alright. So we need to hold up through. There's a drone above. We're gonna walk to the drone right about now. If you're inside of Fit 21 and you're stress free. We're gonna wave off the crosses. Hey! I woke up this morning and I feel nice. Exactly. Everybody, touch the ground. when you represent Jamaica, wait. Everybody, start the mouse. Everybody, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, hey. Watching you and he wants a wine right now, listen. Yo, page and share. Share, you need to get up, baby. I told you, if you not get some with your little mumsy, they call her today. Where's Rihanna and the crew? Easy Ashley. Bring your back down. You better check the truth and lose some see it. Oh God. Isala. Get out the way, he's fighting, nigga. And your mama can't stop moving, girls. Somebody stand. Put one hand on the stage right now. Line it up right now. Why? Oh my God. How about you repeat? That's what I want to say. I want to see everybody on the grass to put one foot on the concrete. Put one foot there. Right now. Ladies, let me see you bend over. Yes, boy. Get it, boy. Get it, buddy. Now, ladies, if you're still whining on that man for this song, right? But it's Sublime Jamaica for soca music. What you say? Everybody know. Everybody know. Bounce. 1, 2. Let me go. Spine. And the musty white. Spine. And she musty white. Spine. Let me see your white. Yo, put 21. I said we are the sound them still like to play. Clacko. Every day. Making you sway. On the ground of Chelele. Shot to Dingole. 1, 2. That's 21. Say. Everybody stop your foot. We got this on them still like them play. What we say? Every day, making you sway. When you got a Chelele, shot to Dingole. Everybody inside the party, throw your hands in the air. Big back fucker. Big back Pep 21 say. Who's drinking alcohol tonight?
party, I'm already drunk.
Listen, Jamaica, if you don't care what people say tonight, if you here to have a good time with your friends and I'm drink a sip, take a sip.
I don't even know soca, but I know this song.
Soca. Ashley's crew. This whole team represents Ashley. Katrina, big yourself. Soca. The ladies, I want you to turn that bullshit and bind on a man right now. Listen, by a raise of hands, we need people who know about the 2018 soca music. Who know about 2018 music right now? So when he said, I feel like, I want to everybody give me that shot by post. Back go. Everybody do this.
I feel like hope. I feel like hope. I feel like hope.
Jamaica. Hold on, Jamaica. Hold on, Jamaica. How you feeling?
Because what don't kill you.
Jamaica song, yes boss.
So my problems is like steroids.
I try to be careful on the stage.
Get my doses from a
But what's my ass?
I don't know that thing can kill me now.
Let me see this side right here.
Them stick me on the high floor. Like don't come and just
Stage. Say slap the stage. Bahama slap the downstairs. Listen, Jamaica. You can't have Bahamas in also wine in the country. Where is my Jamaican people and them right now?
I'm a professional drinker.
That's right.
I drink, I don't get drunk. Anytime I have alcohol.
Yo. How you doing? Mango. Come on, Trini Posse. Yeah. You're about all the way from St. James. You're about to run big, I love you.
tonight and wine like rain. From my riches I desist. I jump already. I see a sexy girl. I want to run already. I drink about 10 buckle and run already. I don't think I selfish.
She ready. What you doing?
Give me space like happiness.
Ladies, if you're not business man, nobody. Let me see boom, she free. Somebody.
Position you unleash. That's bad in dum dum. You bad in dum dum. Your man say you
Okay, go to the girl. Alright. So Richie Ross, all the girls here, put your hand on the stage. Put your hand on the stage. Put your hand on the stage. Listen, everybody check out your phone. Everybody check out your phone. Everybody check out your phone. This is gonna be fun. Hold on. Let my smalley reach. Let my smalley reach. Put your hand on the stage. Ladies, ladies, are you ready? Watch me, ladies, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, stop the white. Hey, 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 look at one. Boy, white the girl, still white the girl, white, still bitch and girl, hey. What's got the white? What's got the white? She got the bend over right, bend it back and tight, hey, bend it back and tight, boy. So big and girl, what's that bubble? So, yo, Gretchen, back up, yeah, the stage kind of soft. Back up the motion a little bit. Richie Ross! Every girl who said it come to wine hard tonight. Jesus, Richard! Time to learn! Richard, I love you. All right. See that crew right there? Pull it up. Oh my God. That soca music make you crazy. That soca music make you mad. Everybody never see you get mad. Start the music, Richie. If you're now ready to go home, say yeah. Now, listen. Not even into the diary, there's about some stairs like this, right? So, hold on. Said Vincent, big up yourself. UE, big up yourself. Bahamas, Jamaica, Trinidad, big up yourself. But give me to Antigua, big up yourself. Hold on. Antigua, wear flag. Wear flag. Hold on. Hey, stop. That's expensive equipment. Stop. Let me put this thing. Let me get some tanks right now, people. Let me get some real tanks right now. Watch that. So if you're inside this party with your best friend, I want you to give your best friend a high five right now. Give your best friend a high five and say it right now. Soca! 5 years right now. One thing we know about Jamaica, Jamaica know every single dance in the world. Who does the work on a Thursday? Or we run a Friday? So everybody inside this party, face with your ass at me right now.
That party was pretty lit. Although I never really danced or anything. I was just focused on like taking videos. But it was pretty good. Really interesting.
No lie.